The professionals now for this many, many years had set up a system that there's no real accountability unless someone can identify that a professional commits fraud, which means under oath, the professional said, I did this and he didn't do something. And I began to wonder why it was so difficult to penetrate this whole structure. And this was in the construction industry, and we later found out it's in every industry. But it's actually, no one has any real accountability. No one can tell the difference. And so we constantly get resistance on why logic can't be used or what causes problems. And over time, and I've been in this industry now for a long time, in the late 1990s, they were trying to solve this problem. Just this morning in the UK, they have re-identified that low bidding vendors cause a problem for the construction industry in the UK. And I'm saying, what? And what is their response? Their response is, we're going to look at setting up a government group, and they're going to look at low bidding contractors' proposals, and they're going to make it even harder for these low bidding contractors to actually get in. It's unbelievable because it won't work. The bureaucracy is so great, and the problem isn't with the vendor. So after watching this now for so many years, I've been in this industry now about 40 years, watching what's going on. And this year, the development of the best value approach is we were trying to make education simpler. So we had the assumption now that even the professionals, right, even though that they were so misguided in their education and training, that they could be successful if we made the education simpler. And I can't tell you the number of times I've gone through the United States and Europe, and people are telling me, Dr. Dean, if this is so simple, why are your slides so complicated? I actually had to sit at a presentation on the stage, and I couldn't say because you're not quick enough. I had to tell them, I have to expose you to the history of the development. But this year, this last year in 2020, I said, this has got to end. We have got to make BVA experts better. How do we do this? So we even decided out of PBSRG, we're going to give away the education for free, something that nobody else would ever do. We're going to give it away for free. We're going to, quote, run everything for them where they don't have to do anything or know anything. We're going to automate the system. We're not going to depend on somebody having to educate someone else. A totally radical approach. We're going to make it possible where somebody who knows absolutely nothing can run this thing and get phenomenal results. So we're also going to tell, quote, visionary BVA experts, minimize any education you give. Shocking direction. But it's the direction we had to go in because we finally realized that the professionals would never utilize something simple. They were just trying to find their place in the system. So therefore, you all at this conference now are being exposed to BVA 3.0. We took all the decision making out. we have proven that the actual client does not have to utilize technical project management. So it minimizes all decision-making functions of the professionals. We do not need, quote, technical quality management or control on the client side. All we need to ensure is that the people who are running it do quality assurance, which means they actually are running BVA according to the simple instructions. It allows engineering and design work to continue. And we're going to use something called the language of metrics.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions about the best value approach or for Dr. Dean, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get to them in a later video. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.